Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Sews and Stuff. Today is just a quick tip video. I'm going to call it a daily quick tip video. I'm going to try to do these about once a month. So here's your first daily quick tip. There are some magnetic cutting boards out there that are really cool, but they are really expensive. And I have, in my customary way, found a way to do it on the cheap. At first I had these squares of roofing material that were metal and they were magnetic and they worked, but I'd have to shift them around whenever I was doing a pattern. And so I went to Lowe's, and for $12 I got this 24 by 36 sheet of metal, which fits great on my 24 by 36 mat. This is a one-sided mat, so I went ahead and duct taped it to the back. I didn't need to worry about not ruining this side of it, and I wanted to make sure it stayed in place and there were no sharp edges. And so now my entire mat, from corner to corner to corner to corner, in the middle, everywhere, is magnetic. This is great for projecting because you can either put your piece of paper down on it and hold it down tight to your cutting board so that it doesn't distort by being kind of wrinkly the way paper tends to be, or you can use it with your fabric so it doesn't fall off the edge and stretch, or however else it might be messing with how you are cutting. It's super, super easy just to put it down and throw some magnets on it. Super quick. And you know, we don't have any more reason to use pins on it. You don't need to pin a piece of pattern to your fabric. You can just hold your fabric in place with the magnets and project your image onto it. So that was your daily quick tip for this month. Next week I'm going to be doing a video that's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on with our lives, and then we'll do a couple projector videos and another quick tip video in the month of August. I'll see you guys then. Thank you so much for your love and support of my channel.
Keep watching my videos, like, subscribe, and comment.